Are you enjoying the view? Eleanor, you like it here?
No.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Well, this is a little bit to show you what we were doing in Italy. You know, we had
Hi,
a few
Eleanor.
days there, and yeah, like how our day to day was. And one thing for sure, I fell in love with Italy. Oh my God, the views, the mountains, the trees, and all the things. I don't know if it's because I come from a country, Denmark, where it's
Eleanor,
so
can you guys
flat,
come back?
you know, and my friend lives just next to the lake. It was just amazing. I was blown away. I could literally see myself living in Italy for the rest of my life and not complain. Meanwhile, that's my friend Innocent that we went to visit. She's amazing. We've known each other for so
Eleanor, don't throw
many
stones.
years. Anyway, the kids had so much fun, you know. It was so
Maybe they
much
don't
fun
hear you
for the
always,
kids. And yeah.
Yeah, there's a mountain there, Valdo. Don't eat my food. Let me show you a little bit of where we are staying. They gave us a their downstairs apartment, all of it. Just me and the kids. Unfortunately, I can't show you the beautiful views right now. There's that, there's that. Velma, wait. You can't see the beautiful views right now, but Velma, not now. I'm trying to send a video to Auntie. And then, yeah, as you can see, we have a kitchen and all these things. We have a washing machine. This is the bathroom. That's how it looks like. And then this is the other.
So we really enjoyed going out for walks several times.
Velma, let's go.
Actually,
Yesterday you
the
fell
kids
here.
loved it. They would just be out there running, and then they like to go to the lake and see the ducks and try to feed them. So it was just amazing.
I should give it to him PM. Because he doesn't like to lose.
So you pass home and you're going to another. Hey.
Have you forgotten the way home?
Eh?
So what town are we in now?
Arco.
Arco. Come. Valeu, do Valdemar. Hi, Valdemar. Yes.